Inquiries suggest that Mnangagwa is facing a crisis not only from Chiwenga, but also from factions within his own support base. If the war veterans formally withdraw their backing, Mnangagwa's position could become untenable. Sanabana mashuka tukuna panapa, vanova vachitsanangura about the four mutumiri wenyika and the unfolding coup panguva ino awadudi subscribe like out on the bell yakutiona panapa the situation ichigrowa each and every day. Panapa munhu amubuda muchinzi. While official sources continue to deny Mnangagwa's vacant position, Zimbabwe's political landscape is shifting rapidly. Chiwenga, as a former military commander, holds significant influence over the armed forces. If he consolidates military and party power, Mnangagwa's removal would mirror Robert Mugabe's ousting in 2017. A swift and controlled operation disguised as a revolutionary resignation. With the tensions at a boiling point, the coming days and weeks will determine whether Mnangagwa can reclaim control or whether Zimbabwe is on the verge of yet another leadership shake-up. The public's overwhelming prediction that he will last only days after losing power suggests that his options are dwindling fast. Mnangagwa's fate now hinges on his ability to either outmaneuver Chiwenga or secure last-minute military backing. However, history suggests that Zimbabwean politics is ruthless, and the leaders who lose military and party control rarely survive. The overwhelming public sentiment is reflected in the uploaded poll image indicates that Zimbabweans believe Mnangagwa's time is almost up. There is an unfolding coup. Vanhu vari kuona kuti kwasara kanguva kadiki diki, kwasara madhezi zvawo mutongo wenyika yeZimbabwe zvinenge zvadhakwa. Muridze mafunguro enyu notubi pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Pindai comment section medu muridze mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like and turn on the